Hello, 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 and welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. This will be a short message. I got a note from somebody recently who apparently they're in the hospital and apparently their time is coming. But they do watch some of my stuff and apparently it brings back great memories. And they even said that they wouldn't let him have a Commodore 64 in his hospital room. Let me just get to my comments here, and I can better read this. Yes. So if anybody would like to reach out, oh, I need glasses. Where are my glasses? Ugh. You know what? I'm going to turn up the brightness. Hang on here. Crank up the brightness. Crank up the brightness. Okay, so if anybody has a moment, if you would like to send a message while there's still time, the name that came up on this comment was Baker Miles C7B. I will spell that. BAKERMILES-C7B. He sent a message a day ago. It said, David, while you were in the TV room, I'm in a hospital room. My time is soon. I cannot have a C64 here, but yours brings me back in time to the 80s and lets me live and love again. As this sick body withers and I slip into an alternate reality that is 40 years ago, you have created that reality. What else can you add to it before I expire? Thank you, David-san. So that is, and I will repeat that, if anybody has a moment to send this fellow a message, it's Baker Miles C7B. BAKERMILES 7, BAKERMILES-C7B. And he sent this message a day ago, so I would like to assume that he is still with us. But if you have a moment to send him a message, I don't know where he's from, I don't know what old machines he used, I don't know anything at all, but his time is near. So if my video things here have been helpful, that's just dandy. And who knows, maybe he would appreciate messages from other Commodore people, and maybe he could go more peacefully. Anyway, as I said, Baker Miles C7B, BAKERMILES C7B. Thanks for anything you can do. Bye for now.